Hi Dressed Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a big heart cookie to celebrate the best dad for Father's Day. So let's get started. To draw this yummy cookie, let's first start by drawing our big heart shape. So for me, it's easiest for me to draw a heart by giving myself 2 points. So I'm going to start right in the center and give myself a point. So I'm going to go right here with a point, and I'm just going to drag this point down to approximately, say, about right here. Just kind of approximately how tall I want my heart. And using these 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a heart. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go up. So whatever you draw on this side will kind of determine your heart shape. So either wide and full or skinny. So it's all up to you. This is just meant to inspire you. And I'm just going to go ahead and try and make it a nice full round cookie. So bring it back down to that point. So now that I have that, I can go ahead and try to mimic whatever I drew on this side here. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag a point across because I'm drawing kind of a little bit big, so just about right there, just to make it easier for me to see where I'm going, so that I know I'm about the same height on this side. And then I'm just going to kind of step back and try my best to follow what I drew on the other side in terms of the fullness. So just take your time and just try your best. It's not going to be exact, but just want to try your best to match the other side. And let's see here, so I'm going to keep going and make this part nice and full. And bring it down there. Okay, close enough. So hopefully just having these 2 points will help you draw this heart a little bit easier. So as you can see, this side is a little bit fuller, this side is a little bit thinner, but it's okay, right? It still looks like a nice big heart, and I'm sure Dad won't mind that it's not perfect. So let's come back, and I'm going to come straight up about right here, and I'm just going to give our heart a border. So I'm just going to follow whatever I drew. So it's going to go all the way around to make it look like a cookie that's been glazed. There, and same thing on this side. There, okay. So now that we're done with our outside, the hardest part is done. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to draw like a banner across. So I'll start about right here, and I'm going to bring a curve going up. Now that I'm done with this curve, I'm going to come down here about, say, this wide, so it's kind of centered into our heart. I'm going to go ahead and draw another curve following that curve. So just go ahead and go all the way up. There, so this one big band across. Then from there, I'm going to go in here and draw, write the word best dad in bubble letters. So I'm just going to go ahead and start right on the edge here and start with a B. So I'm going at an angle, and I'm just going to start with a B and then come in here, the insides, E. So everything is going to follow the same angle. And S, and I'm just trying my best to make it about the same height for each letter. And T, so I have enough room. So it just all depends when you get close to here, after you write the word best. If you have a lot of room, then you can just make your word dad extra wide. If you don't have much room, then you can just make it thinner. But something like that, best. And then we need dad. So, but right here, we go ahead. D. A right next to it. Just leaving enough room for a D. Put a heart right here. And another D right in here. Yay, we did it. Best dad. Okay, so then let's see if I need to make any adjustments. But our goal is just to try to follow this curve as we write the words, write the letters. So then from there, now that we have that in, let's go ahead and decorate our cookie. So I wasn't sure what to put to fill up this space. So I'm just gonna go ahead with some stars. And so right about here in this big area, I'm gonna go ahead and just draw one really big star. So I got 4, 5 points. And then draw 2 more smaller ones. It's like for our number 1 dad, right? He's a star. There, and then maybe put in some of these shiny, make it extra special. Okay, and then to fill up the space, we can come in here and just put in some sprinkles. We're gonna add some color. Maybe some smaller stars. And then same thing here, we're just gonna fill up this space with some sprinkles and smaller stars. So I did one of this kind of for best mom, so I thought maybe I should do one for best dad, right? So hopefully you like this one just as much. There. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of a big heart cookie for our best dad to celebrate Father's Day. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today and that inspired you to draw this for your best dad. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.